Konnichiwa. In about 5 minutes, you'll be able to order food on the phone and at a restaurant in Japanese. We'll go through the essential expressions, practice, and culture tips. Are you ready? This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. Let's begin. First, let's order on the phone. Do you like ramen? Let's order it. Hello on the phone is moshi moshi. Repeat after me. Moshi moshi. Moshi moshi. Good. Say, ラーメンお願いします。お願いします means I request. Repeat after me. ラーメンお願いします。ラーメンお願いします。Nice. Next, let's order at a restaurant. Have you seen noren? It's like a shop sign. You see it when the shop opens. The staff says, いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ means welcome. So don't say いらっしゃいませ back. Instead, smile and bow. I will explain why bowing is important at the culture section later. When you get attention, say すみません。すみません is excuse me, okay? Please repeat. すみません。すみません。Now you know how to order. Try? Yes. ラーメンお願いします。In Japan, we normally pay at the till. Then say, ごちそうさまでした and bow. ごちそうさまでした is used to say thank you only for food and drink when you finish it. You learn other expressions of thank you throughout the course. Repeat after me. ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。Very good. Now it's time to practice. I'll be the staff and you'll be the customer. I have some tips for your speaking practice. Say the phrases you cannot say smooth 10 times each. Also, come back to the expression for just a few minutes every day. Let's start. 1. Do you like takoyaki? Let's order it. For delivery service, what do you say? Yes, もしもし. Then order takoyaki. たこ焼きお願いします。Good start. 2. Do you like カレーライス? Let's order it. Now you're visiting a restaurant. いらっしゃいませ。Get attention. Yes, すみません。And you say, Yes, カレーライスお願いします。Now you're leaving. Yes, ごちそうさまでした。Great! The last section. Let's learn culture points. Normally, water and a wet towel are served for free in Japan. It's a nice feeling to have clean hands before eating. And today's main point. Why do Japanese people bow? Can you guess? This image is the hint. Any idea? Yes, by lowering yourself, you can make the other person higher. This shows respect to the other person. Make sense? Bowing is essential in Japanese culture. You can forget the expressions, but don't forget to bow. And this body language is useful everywhere. For example, at a hotel, at a shop, and in an office if you're working with Japanese people. Okay, today's summary, まとめ. Can you tell me the expressions from the lesson? Yes, もしもし。すみません。X お願いします。ごちそうさまでした。And culture tips? Yes, Clean hands before eating and bow in order to show respect. Great start! I'm very happy to have you in my lesson. Watch this video until you can say all smooth. Then move on to the practice video. You'll start speaking more naturally. Practice is essential. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. In the next lesson, you'll be able to order takeaway. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.